looks like a beauty, cleans like a beast. Shark PowerDetect Speed.
The PowerDetect Speed is our newest cordless vacuum, designed to be as lightweight as possible, but still powerful. Hi, I'm Peter Green. I'm Director of Product Development for Cordless.
I'm Susie Quetian. I look after Cordless category marketing. PowerDetect Speed comes with an assortment of detect technologies. Floor Detect detects when you're moving from one floor type to another.
It gives us great performance across every floor, which gives us an optimized runtime of 60 minutes.
Dirt Detect will sense when you're going over huge amounts of dirt or dust, increase the suction power, increase the brush roll speed.
You get more out of your vacuum, a more efficient clean, and then you get more time to go and do the stuff you actually enjoy doing.
Most other brands, the product isn't picking up debris well on the reverse. Shark has solved this problem. Direction Detect.
When you show them the reverse clean, how much it picks up on the backward stroke, they're often quite shocked, like, wow, I didn't know I could do this with my vacuum. Our consumers, they're very keen on a deep clean. Not only did we include our flex wand, but also we made sure the nozzle design was as slim as we've done so far. Another key feature is what we call Reveal, and Reveal is a blue illumination which shows you on your hard floor all of the dirt you can't see with your actual eyes. The first time I tried it, I did not realise how dirty my house was.
This new auto-empty function has been an absolute game changer. You're getting a vacuum that's going to work at peak performance and is just ready to go.
We always give the best experience for the consumer first. We take that very seriously here. We all love it. We do a lot of consumer insight testing, we do a lot of work with engineers, and we make sure our product is set up for success across the globe.
That's what Shark does so well, making consumer innovation more accessible to the masses, premium for the people.